Hey crafty friends, today I have a mini album for you. It's been a little while since I did a mini album. Um, I wanted to say that this is a design team project for scrapbooking with me. I will link them in the description box down below along with my coupon code. You're always encouraged to use um, my coupon code. I'm sorry, got distracted. And I used the Tea Time collection from Graphic 45. I had ordered it was the large kit that had the 12 by 12, the stickers, and the chipboard ephemera. But I don't see it in the store anymore. So I'm not sure if we're getting it back. But I do want to encourage you to head over there because there are some absolutely amazing collections that are coming out that are in the store brand new. So check that out. I did use the large tag die from Graphic 45 that I just got last week in my design team package. Comes in 3 different sizes, and I also used the flower dies that came with, the flower dies actually come with the large tag die. So check that out. I use score tape, which you can also get at Scrapbooking with me. And once again, do not forget to use my coupon code for 15% off. So I picked up this fabric at Hobby Lobby. And I don't know if I will ever not do fabric on another mini album or journal. I loved it. It was my very first time to use fabric, and it makes the album very flexible and easy to manipulate and move, and I loved it. So let's figure out. This is a 6.5 by 8 1/4, and then the spine is 4-inch spine. So again, the fabric, the lace, and then I used one of the cut-aparts from the 12 by 12 cut-aparts. A cup of tea warms the soul like a good friend. And then I used this chipboard piece that says Botanical, and I inserted these grommets. Are they called grommets? Or are they called, I don't know what they're called. I used some chipboard pieces that I had in my stash. I can't remember where I got them from. Look how that opens. I love how that opens. Okay, so we're going to go like this. And I used acetate in a lot of this album. And I used a lot of that chipboard. This is a sticker from the collection. I just fussy cut a frame and put it on there so you can see how this, you can see that it's acetate. I love it. I love it. I love the paper too. So this is also one of the cut-aparts, and I did not do anything inside the booklets because once you put a 4x6 picture in there, you start adding a lot of paper, unnecessary paper, and the book gets too thick and it won't slide in well here. So then, oh my gosh, guys, I meant to put paper here. Okay, I'm going to go back and put paper on all my gussets. Ah! All right, pretend you don't see that. Okay, so the next page, this is one of the chipboard pieces. This is chipboard from my stash. I had some little trim I added there. And these are the Graphic 45 flower dies. Aren't they lovely how they layer like that? And I just think they look fantastic. So let's untie this. I don't have any magnets in this. This is all you know, tied with seam binding. So this opens like this. Again, a photo would fit, you know, with just the border. So I did put paper on this side. And then this opens like this. And over here on this side, I have a little pull out little booklet. And that slides back in there. And then we have this. I love this. Botanical Tea. This pulls out like this. And we've got another booklet. And then I imagine cropped photos on the side here. You know, we all have photos where we could just crop them down to fit there. And then this folds down. And you got room for a photo here and then a large photo there. And then I did some punched, some button. I have a button, Martha Stewart button punch that I put there on the other side of those flowers. So we're going to tie everything back up as we go, guys, because Rena is OCD and I cannot move along without tying it shut. All right. Our next acetate pocket is a side pocket, and we have this pull out. This is the same kind of part that's on the front cover. And these I get at Joann's in the $1.50. So check that out. And then here, this is also a sticker from the collection, and that's just a little chipboard piece that I had. So here we go. Oh, it actually opens like that. So you got room for a lot of cropped photos on that. Let's count how many. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that tie is closed. Then over on this side, we have a round chipboard with butterflies, and this bird as kind of the focal point. This is a sticker from the collection, says Celebration. And this opens like that. So cropped photos, large photo, photo spot here, and then we have our envelope. I used stickers from the sticker sheet, and more photos can go in there. And then we close up like that. You guys know I create to sell, so this will be for sale. I always give you guys first dibs at it, so if anybody's interested, you can find my email in the description box down below. I have to tell you that the flowers were really, really easy to put together too, so great buy to have that tag die and flower dies. So this is also another cut apart from one of the 12 by 12 sheets, so a nice place for journaling. And look at that beautiful paper with the teapot. I love it. Layered some lace and trim there. This acetate actually has some polka dots on it. This side, this is our chipboard piece over here, framing out one of the beautiful hummingbirds. This one opens up like that. And then it opens like this and like this. Then we have a little pull-out booklet over here. Our envelope has a journaling booklet in it. And then it folds down. So the envelopes are different. We've got different envelopes, but pretty much the same, you know, we're having the same situation on each set of pages. We've got an acetate pocket page, and then we've got the tag dies that open on each set of pages. So really like this. Oh, I really do like it. So there's our little photo booklet there with the acetate and the lace. And then on this side, we have this chipboard bird. We have some lace in the background. The chipboard piece that says tea party. And then we untie it. And here we have a little, like a little mini book almost. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 photos in that little mini book. And then that opens like that and like that. And we have our envelope. And that's how that looks. And then that folds down. So this album can hold a lot of photos. If you're interested in knowing exactly how many, if you're interested in this album, I'd be glad to count for you, but a lot. Then our last 2 pages are here. I just love this image. And I used these pretty chipboards there. That opens like that. And then ties closed. And then we have a pull out here. Ah, it escaped. That slides in, so we got another acetate pocket back there. And then our last page, it's a real pretty window. I used a butterfly chipboard piece and just tied a little seam binding on there. So this opens up, and then there's another little place for 2 photos. Then this opens like this and like that. And we've got another little booklet here. Room for your large photos, some cropped photos. And then we have our envelope. So there you go. That is our last page. And of course the graphic 45 flower dies there. This is just a gorgeous album. I'm really thrilled. I'm going to add paper on all my gussets, I will tell you that. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. I will link everything in the description box down below, except the paper collection, because I can't find the paper collection anymore. So, you know, you can obviously create this with any paper collection and use the tag dies, you know, as your, you know, your gatefold pages. So I hope you like that idea. And thanks for watching. Happy scrappy day. Bye, guys.